Hi, I'm Velshi with MSNBC. Friday, the Supreme Court issued an opinion in the Texas abortion case, allowing providers to challenge the state's ban on abortion after 6 weeks. Jeffrey Rosen, the president and CEO of the National Constitution Center, is here for a more perfect union. Jeff, the ruling was 8-1. The plurality opinion and the dissent suggest a fractured court. Tell us what the justices said and what the ruling could mean for the other pending abortion case that's before the court.
Well, Ali, as you say, the ruling was to 8-1, and in that sense, it was a narrow victory for the abortion providers, but that did conceal very deep fractures on the Supreme Court. 8 justices agreed that a suit could go forward against the Texas medical officials who are responsible for penalizing doctors who perform abortions after 6 weeks. That ban is clearly inconsistent with Roe v. Wade, and in that sense, the ban is unconstitutional. But what was really significant was that both Chief Justice Roberts and the liberal justices said that this was a serious threat to the Supreme Court's role in our federal system. Chief Justice Roberts used the word nullify. He said the clear purpose and actual effect of this Texas law has been to nullify the court's rulings. And Justice Sotomayor went much further. She said, this court should have put an end to this madness months ago before the law went into effect. The court effectively invites other states to refine Texas's model for nullifying federal rights. And she cites all sorts of examples of states that are actually right now thinking of passing laws nullifying both abortion rights, religious liberty rights, and also gun rights by creating these schemes that make it impossible for anyone to challenge them. Justice Sotomayor quoted John Calhoun, who endorsed a theory of nullification. She said, we fought a civil war in this nation to avoid this kind of open thwarting of federal law. And she warned that the court would come to regret the consequences of its actions. So it's a very significant sign of the deep divisions that exist on the court. We'll be seeing more of them when the court decides the Mississippi abortion case that's coming up. But it does not suggest that there will be a very easy path to consensus when it comes to the future of abortion rights on the Supreme Court.
This one's going to be a very close one to watch, and one I think that you and I are going to be talking about for months to come. Jeffrey Rosen is the president and the CEO of the National Constitution Center. Be sure to follow Jeff and the National Constitution Center on Twitter @RosenJeffrey and @ConstitutionCTR.